Hey everyone, so I'm back with a Christmas collab project, and the theme for this month was elves, I believe. And guys, I thought the whole entire time, what could I make with elves? I sorry about my son. He's shouting I love you, I think. So he's playing with his sister. So yeah, there was going to be some background noise because I am recording this on Saturday morning. As you know, the Christmas collab is put up every 25th of the month, and it is hosted by Leslie Bromfield and Jessica Marvel. All details of everyone that's taking part will be in the description below, so don't forget to go and check out everyone's projects. And so yeah, as I was saying, I just didn't know what to do with elves, and then it came to me at the very last moment. I could just use the colors of elves, which is, well, in my, what I was thinking anyway, would be, you know, the red and white stripe, the green, the black, the little elves hat. And so this is what I came up with, guys. I did use the tonic. I'm just having a look to see if it is anywhere near. I will try and put a picture in the corner of the die that I used to make these purse boxes. And so yeah, I used the die to create these purse boxes, and then I decorated them with some bells that were gifted to me. I had all the rest of the stuff in my stash. These were some bits of scrap paper left over from a doodlebug paper pad. And I had these in my Christmas stash as well. These are some chipboard pieces. So I've kind of tried to create a elf top or clothing that they wear, and I've used the enamel dots for their buttons. So that's the first box that I made. And then this is the second box that I made. And I actually made, I'm so proud of myself, guys. I made this pinwheel up without scoring, just folding the paper. And the first time it actually came out pretty good, I think. So I've just put that there. I was going to put a sentiment in the middle, but I kind of like the black dot, and I wasn't sure what I could put there that didn't take away from it or hide it. So yeah, I left that blank, but I might add a sentiment to it later if I can find the right one. And then I've just had this Christmas hat, and you know, little elves wear hat, so I thought that was super cute. And these little shakers, these are shaker stockings. I've had these shaker stocking stickers in my stash for a very long time, so I'm really glad that I got to use them, and I think they look really cute on the box there. And then here I am just finishing off a little embellishment that I was making. Again, this sentiment that I have, and then some more of those bells, and this Christmas, it's like you know, you get it at Christmas for wrapping up presents and things. I just had that in my stash, and I thought that gave it a bit of dimension, and I'm going to stick it on this one. So this one is just the plain box, as you can see. I've just used some of that precision cardstock textured paper to construct my boxes. I think it just, even if I just done it like that and it just had a sentiment, I think it would look kind of cute. Actually, as you can see here, I think this is not even straight, but guys, anyway, let's go on. I am rambling a bit, so don't mind me, but I'm gonna stick this onto here like this, onto the front of the box. So I've got my glue gun here. Shall I glue gun it, or shall I just prop it up? I'm gonna glue gun it. So I'm just gonna put some hot glue over this part, guys. All my glue, because I keep my glue sticks out, and most of them have turned yellow. I do have some in the drawer, but yeah, the glue has actually kind of turned yellow. So let's put this here like so, and just stick this one on. And this is just really simple, guys, just the sentiment, a die cut circle, and then added, as I said, the little extras. And I've tied those bells on with some nylon string that I had in my stash. And so guys, these are my 3 boxes. I think that one's just popped out there. There we go. And I think that they came out. I had a lot of fun making these, and they actually, considering that in the beginning I had no clue what I was going to make whatsoever, I'm really happy with how these turned out. So these are my little 3 boxes for this month's Christmas collab of Elf. If you like this video, guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Tell me down in the comments what you think, and I'll see you next month for next month's collab challenge. Bye.